Hello, my name is Monroe Iglehart, and Drag Out the Vote has asked me to give you a little tutorial on a very important task: packing for the polls.
Packing for the polls.
It's election day, and you are so excited to vote. I mean, you can't wait another minute. So you get into your car and you make that long drive to that long line, right? Wrong. You have to prepare before you make that jump. I mean, if you want to drag out the vote, then you need the right accessories. A good bag. Now, as for me, I like a nice, sturdy tote bag. A nice bag with some class, but also strong enough to hold all the things you're going to need. Your phone. You need a phone, and you need a phone with a GPS so you won't get lost on your way to the polls. Also, you're gonna need some earphones. Like these basically say, look, I'm just here to vote, I'm not here to have conversation. These here are to say, hey, I'm in line, but I'm also friendly enough to talk about all the different craziness happening in 2020. Also, you wanna make sure you have your tunes ready. I know what my tune is. My tune is Fight the Power by Public Enemy. I'll be playing that on loop. Now, the next thing you're gonna need is a mask. You don't be standing out there all around them people during this COVID pandemic time getting ready to vote without a mask. That's just nasty. Listen to Dr. Fauci. Also, for some of us, you know who you are. Lotion. Lotion is always good. Don't want to be at the polls being ashy. Oh, yes, I forgot. You're at the polls, so you are going to want to have identification. Identification. Make sure your identification is in your wallet. And some people, some states actually say you need to have 2 forms of identification. Now, let's get serious, folks. People are going to vote this time like their lives depended on it. I mean, the stress is high. So I have a small bag of candy. And then again, it all depends on how long the line is. I might need a big box of candy if you want to have something salty to balance it out. So I just put a whole bag of chips in the bag. But then again, you don't want, you want some substance, some meat on your bones. So, you can make some bag of chicken wings. I made a bag of chicken wings. These are spicy. It makes me feel good. Then, of course, you might need this. Some people need a sandwich. And when I need a sandwich, I need this sandwich. Blueberries, pack well, and raspberries pack well as well. Oh, yes, also, after you eat all this, you're gonna need some mints. You're gonna need some mints because you don't want your breath to stink. You're gonna be in that line talking to people about your experiences in 2020, in the pandemic, at home, teaching your kids, not teaching your kids, wondering if your relationship's gonna stay together. But you wanna have some mints so you make sure that when you talk to people, your breath don't offend them like some of their, political views. It also may be a good thing to bring one of these along, just in case your candidate doesn't win. You can remember when the vote actually went in your favor. Now, whatever you pack, I'm proud of you because you are ready. So you're going to go out, you're going to vote, make a list of what you are going to pack and put it in your bag and get ready. So this is my bag and it's pretty heavy. So, okay. Who's carrying this? Hey, baby, do you think that you can carry this?
James Monroe, is that my bag?
Huh?
Is that my bag?
Vote.
Packing for the polls.